golden forks in front, full red GT, the headlamp mod. Oh my god, it looks killer, man. And it matches the shoes. This will be the first motorcycle mod review for 2026. Yes, 2026 शुरू किया हुआ कि पापा fell sick, बीमार. अभी आवाज से भी समझ में आ रहा होगा, इसलिए ग्लव्स पहनना पड़ेगा. Looks like Papa has to go into the Papa mode. In this mod review, R15 को showcase करूंगा from the track days. I am not exaggerating. It is heavily modded. इसको मैं IRL वीडियो में showcase करूंगा. Okay, so बने रहिए. Okay, can't play music. ये देखिए, ये वाइजर को पता नहीं क्यों घिस रहे हैं. Okay, for some reason, maybe for better circulation. वाह, वाह, वाइजर को स्पॉइलर बना दिया हेलमेट का. वाह वाह वाह. ऐसे ऐसे महान लोग कहाँ मिलते हैं, कहाँ से आते हैं. एवरेज मॉड इन बैंगलोर मतलब बैंगलोर को बीच में क्यों घुसेड़ना था इसमें. ही एक्चुअली वेंट टू सम कारीगर, छेद वेद करवाया अपने हेलमेट पे, शेल में छेद करवाया. ऑलरेडी स्टड्स का हेलमेट है जिसकी सेफ्टी रेटिंग आपको पता ही है, बहुत ही शानदार है. उसमें छेद करवा के पीछे वाइजर लगवाया. और मे बी दैट्स अ गुड वे टू कैरी एक्स्ट्रा वाइजर यार. इसको तो पापा का बहुत प्यारा वाला पापा का अवार्ड मिलेगा. ऐसे ही पापा का तबियत खराब है और फिर सब दिखा के इतनी तबियत ठीक कर रहे हैं, इसलिए इनको मिलेगा KTM झाड़ू. What is this? Whoa. Dude, ये तो चिपक गई बाइक जमीन पे. BMW. Which bike is that, dude? Aero suspension.
Turn signal around the badge. This is the craziest BMW bike.
How can one see the turn signals, man?
बात तो सही है.
Okay, anyways.
And right there,
it's about
that's your digital gauge. If you press this button,
wow. What is this?
You get different information.
क्या खतरनाक
No kickstand.
bike, dude.
It's held up by the
Oh, it's using the suspension. They don't require the side stand.
body. 18-inch wheels, everything custom. This is $85,000, and it's the Zillers 801.
Zillers 801. Zillers custom garage. The future of motorcycles. BMW without TVS.
साले में चप्पल मारूंगा. एडिडास की है 4,000 रुपया की.
हम दोस्तों, ये है मेरा NS200.
NS200 nice.
इसमें मैं एक चीज लगा हूँ, देखो.
नया चीज लगाया है.
बता
वाह.
सकते क्या है?
ये क्या है भाई?
ये है पावर शिफ्टर.
पावर शिफ्टर. पावर शिफ्टर.
पावर शिफ्टर एक तो लगा है, आप सभी जानते हो.
What is power shifter?
जो कि फुल एक्सेलेटर मार के बिना क्लच दबाए अगर गियर में मारूंगा गियर लगेगा. तो डायरेक्शन में ऐसा लगता है. निंजा बाइक में ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा लगेगा.
Does it really work?
डाउन शिफ्ट नहीं लगेगा, अप शिफ्ट लगेगा.
Still, if it, even up shift works, does it really work?
NS200.
I'm not that technologically or mechanically strong. I cannot comment will this work. He's connected the clutch cable here. Not really sure, but if it works, then kudos to this guy, yaar. Means I'm gonna check out his channel. Wait. Gonna check out his channel. The Bike Doctor. He's called the Bike Doctor, so he should know what he's doing. Oh, check out his pictures and all. God damn. I don't know how much to rate this mod. Chat decide करो यार. Chat बताओ कितना spark plug देना चाहिए इस mod को यार. The so-called homemade quick shifter को. By the way, जब तक chat decide कर रहा है, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. अगर आप बहुत पहले से देख रहे हो, enjoy कर रहे हो वीडियोस को, so अगर subscribe नहीं किया अभी तक, subscribe करो, please. It will help the channel and keep Papa motivated to keep producing more videos. I feel the chat. So 2 spark plugs without proof. क्योंकि proof नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो 2 spark plug, right, for the innovation. And if there is a proof and it works, then 3 spark plug, because I think even if it works, ये शायद clutch plates को burn कर देगा. हो सकता है, right? So okay, 2 or 3 spark plugs. From the 4x4 couple. आप में से बहुत लोगों ने बोला था कि पापा प्लीज चेक आउट मॉड्स फ्रॉम द 4x4 couple. So we're gonna check out his GT mod.
ठीक है, एग्जॉस्ट नोट सुनना चाहते हैं बहुत देर.
The cowls he has put, the fairing he has put a USD golden forks in front, full red GT, the headlamp mod. Oh my god, it looks killer, man. And it matches the shoes.
ये जो एग्जॉस्ट नोट आप सुनोगे, this is before tuning, this is before code 6.
Oh my god, check out the rear. The way it has been chopped. The thin seat, the tosh looking exhaust. Is that an Angel GT tire? What? Fatter one? Red springs on the rear. Monoshock suspension in the rear. God damn. Sounds nice. PVC pipe. But damn cool, man. This is a very different looking GT, man. I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually liking the look of this motorcycle. Looks like one of those retro sports bikes, right? Follow the 4x4 couple. Wow, sexy. There's a longer swing arm also. Maybe more stable also this motorcycle is. The other half of the fairing is from Aryan. It's from Aryan 5? Are you serious? The paint job on this is also lovely, man. I love the cowl on this. So sleek. It is a longer swing arm, man. Great. Yeah, the glossy paint looks so nice. The glossy red wheels and suspension is from TVS RR310. Oh, the wheels and suspension of RR310. Ground clearance देख रहे हैं कैसा खतरनाक. Chat, now you decide how many spark plugs should we give. What I was talking about, how he has integrated the rear tail light into the chassis, right? It's not like just been चिपकाया ऊपर से. And I love this attention to details. I can feel the chat here, and chat has happily given 5 spark plugs. That also the spark plug color matches the motorcycle. As I said ना, ये वीडियो ने पापा को ठीक किया है. Thanks to राइडर फोगट. पापा एक हफ्ते से बीमार थे. जैसे ही ये वाला वीडियो पापा को इन्होंने भेजा, अब मैं चंगा सी. अब पापा चंगा सी. बोंड दी मिट्टी दी कसम. Good job done. ऐसे ही 2026 की शुरुआत करनी थी. तो इसी से याद आया कि I want to share with you guys and I want you कि पापा से शेयर करो अपने न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन.
मैं 2026 में डायमंड बन के आऊंगा तो सारा लोग शकल देखने के लिए
पहले मैं बताता हूँ अपना न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन. मेरा न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन है, फर्स्ट आई वांट टू लर्न जापानीज. I already started learning Japanese, but I want to give at least N5 and N4 exams this year. Then I want to at least finish 12 books this year, read 12 books of my choice, and I want to do one long trip. Most probably it will be a northeast trip on a motorcycle. और आप लोग जब मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा तो कमेंट में प्लीज बताइएगा आपका न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन क्या है. This is from Simplived and Maratha Motorcycles. Okay, and the motorcycle mod is called Gravity, and this is done to a Guerrilla 450. Those wheels are hub wheels, hubless wheels, hubless, not hub. Sheesh. Oh ho, क्या खतरनाक. Whoa, check out that dildo looking exhaust. But it does look cool. Oh wow, and that chunky front suspension, clip-ons, handlebars. Oh my lord, क्या खतरनाक mod किया है. What the fuck? Shower seat. Oh my god, this is something like a Robocop will ride. Especially the hubless wheels look so cool. Whoa, I didn't notice that part. See the placement of the console, man. It's top of the tank. The console is been inbuilt on the tank. What the fuck? This video's first golden sprocket. Let's go पटाखा फोड़ो. क्या बात है. Gravity, I love the name also, so different. That's one kick-ass looking motorcycle. How do you get these hubless wheels, man? Do you need to custom build them or do you actually get them from somewhere? I don't know about it. I don't know.
सर्दियों के मौसम में बाइक चलाने वाले ये बात अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि सबसे बड़ा मसला होता है हाथों का ठंडा हो जाना. जब हाथ सुन्न हो जाते हैं ना सिर्फ राइडिंग में,
then you need heated grips or gloves. But why is he making a hole in his header pipes?
मुश्किल होती है, बल्कि बाइक का कंट्रोल भी मुतासर होने लगता है. इस मसले को हल करने के लिए जबरदस्त हल है. अब आप वीडियो में गौर से देखें. मेरे हाथ कुदरती तौर पर गर्म रहते हैं, ना ज्यादा गर्म होते हैं और ना ही सर्दी लगती. बस इतनी हरारत मिलती है. हाथ गर्म रहने से गिरफ्त मजबूत रहती है. और अब यहाँ मैं एक अहम बात बताना चाहता हूँ. ये सिस्टम बनाते वक्त हिफाजत करना. वीडियो के बाद इससे अपने लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक लाजमी करें. अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर जरूर करें. और मेरी वर्कशॉप का एड्रेस अगर आप गूगल मैप पे सर्च करेंगे तो आपको मेरी वर्कशॉप की लोकेशन.
Don't they get gloves in Pakistan or something? Okay, forget about heated grips. थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, but जुगाड़ तो है, no doubt. Gloves नहीं है लेकिन जुगाड़ तो है. He will come up with body heater in next mod. Yeah, you can put one more pipe in your ass also.
ये तो वेरी नाइस बूंद है. ये तो मेरी पसंद की बूंद है.
कितने स्पार्क प्लग्स मिलने चाहिए इनको. जुगाड़ के व्यू से देखिएगा, मॉड के व्यू से मत देखिएगा, जुगाड़ के व्यू से देखिएगा. ठीक है, डिटेल में इन्होंने बनाया है ये पूरा जुगाड़. और मे बी इट वर्क्स ऑल्सो. आई थिंक 2 हाथ गर्म हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे, -5. तो आई थिंक इस जुगाड़ के लिए 2 स्पार्क प्लग. हाउ अबाउट दैट? नॉट बैड. ओके, प्लीज टेल मी योर नेम. दिनेश. एंड व्हाट्स योर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल?
It's over there.
Oh, check out this R15. First I thought this is R1 when I saw it in Arwani Grid. He came to the track today to ride on the track for the first time, and he loved it. And when I saw his bike, I thought this is a R1 on the track today, but apparently it's R15, and it's been heavily modded. Can you please just quickly take us through what all mods did you do on your R15?
I have installed an adjustable shock absorber.
Oh yeah, check out these triple clamps. God damn. These are adjustable springs and all inside. Okay, with preload setup.
And that is a handle T.
Yeah, and this key cap, right? It matchy. Very nice.
R6 tank.
Oh, that's why it looks so apart. Oh, no wonder it looks like a R1 when I was thinking. This is a R6 tank, huh? Cover.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Check out this Spider-Man also here. Damn. And what is it? What do you have here? This is a
That's just a meter for checking the battery voltage.
battery voltage. Okay, and he's there. No, this is Toothless, right?
Yes.
Toothless a girlfriend or Toothless?
White Fury.
White Fury. Yes. What else do we have? What is this about? This is for suspension. You have changed or what?
Yes,
Here.
that's a monoshock with adjustable preload.
Oh damn! Check out that. And where did you get it from? Thailand or somewhere? Vietnam?
No. We get it from Delhi.
Oh, nice. And this is a clear cover here also.
Pocket cover.
Sprocket cover.
RCB foot pegs.
Yeah, the RCB
Racing foot pegs.
racing foot pegs. Oh, then we have what do you call the winglets?
That
And
is
this
one of one.
one of
Only
one. Ah.
Entire India.
Oh, is it? So you got it made or something?
No. It is from Thailand.
Acha.
Took more than 45 days to reach here.
Ah.
And it's
And it looks so. It goes with the bike like. It looks like with the flow of the bike. The R15 looks very nice. It doesn't look like someone has put something extra or something. It looks very nice. Okay, from this side is a real show. We have this clutch cover,
clear clutch cover
clear clutch cover.
with the hyper clutch inside.
Oh, nice.
Uma Racing's hyper clutch.
Very cool. We have the disc also from RCB and also the
RCB calipers and
calipers
same
also.
disc.
Yeah, check that out. I love how you've done that white and black with the gold accent everywhere. And this is Vendetta seats or something?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
It's not from India, it's from Krish Customs from Chennai.
Acha. Yeah. Oh, there's a controller also. Wow. There's an ass controller controlling the bike with ass. Damn cool. Such small things which keeps it, different. What exhaust is that?
It's an uniformly exhaust for R15 version 3 and version 4.
Oh, nice. With a Hot Wheels sticker.
Yeah, it's a one piece, just like.
Oh, it's like a full system exhaust.
Full system.
So, you don't have any issues with the cops?
I don't usually ride it in the city.
Yeah, nice.
I go to a track or I do some highway rides.
Very cool. Oh, then you have your. Is this a cover or is it a RCB? What do you call? Rear master cylinder.
Yes.
Nice. Fully decked up. What tires are you using right now?
MRF steel brace.
Okay. Oh, the visor also. Which visor is this?
It's an Indonesian virus.
So you got most of the stuff from Southeast Asian countries because they have crazy mods and all for R15. They have some of the insane stuff you can get from there. Damn, very nice. I will let my audience give spark plug for this, but I will give personally 5 spark plug, obviously. Just to make sure it's me only, not someone else. 5 spark plugs. This is the mod which we're gonna talk about, and this will be will this mod trend or die? ठीक है, इस mod को देखिए और बताइए. There's a fidget spinner and it makes sound also. Oh, that I think there's extra sound. There's a wheel cover. There's a fidget spinner. Then you open it up, it becomes a bottle holder. But fidget spinner, yeah, that is cool, yeah. I love fidget spinners. This is my fidget spinner. This is my favorite fidget spinners. Check out my fidget spinner. You can rotate all the parts also. One of my favorite things to keep on my desk. But should this mod trend or die? Okay, I think I got the chats. The Janta has decided, Sarka has decided the trend should die. One of my favorite. This is a KLX 230. This is not in India. I think this is Indonesia, if I'm not wrong. And check out the mod on this KLX 230, man. The front suspension is from a 790 heavy duty headlamp, and he has a bigger tank, a Service bigger tank. Check out the seat cover and the livery on it. And this is a Supermoto mod, smaller wheels. Fucking amazing it looks. It has a retro feel to it. A 230 KLX, crazy. Something that can inspire people who are buying a KLX 230 in India. Some ideas they can get from this. And that is a custom side stand also. And the market for KLX, especially the 230 and the 300 is crazy. Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand में. और ऐसे आपको आफ्टर मार्केट पार्ट्स मिलेंगे इसके जो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. जो सोच सकते हो वो तो मिलेंगे, जो सोच नहीं सकते वो भी मिलेंगे. There's a fan following for this motorcycle that side. ये क्या देखा? Dude, how they're sitting? Oh, this guy is sitting weird. This is mind-boggling.
बहुत बढ़िया मॉडिफाई किए हो.
Insane. पलथी मार के बैठा बे. This is a tank. This side is a tank. Engine is on this side. I think he's sitting like this because for the weight distribution. He has made it a tricycle. They look like optical illusion. Yeah, it looks like an optical illusion actually. कौन से मोटरसाइकिल ऐसी जहाँ पे आप पलथी मार के बैठ सकते हो? एकदम लेट के. गोल्डविक भी ना बैठ पाओ ऐसा. चैट का भी फीलिंग लिया मैंने. This is a 4-spark plus. Let's go. This is the one which I want to showcase from El Mulco, a track spec motorcycle first of all, and fluorescent colors and all being used. Usually I'm not a fan of fluorescent colors, but the way this mod has this livery, I think the designing, the lines and all like comics, anime, it looks so damn cool, man. There's so much happening on this livery, but it looks so damn cool. Pew pew. This is actually inspiring, Papa. I want to do something like this on R15. Even the tire warmers are fluorescent. Check this on track. Fucking crazy. Even his track suit, full fluorescent. And it's been done so well now. That's why it looks so good. And how the eyes has been designed. Even the helmet, dude. I love how he has put the mush in front. Especially in this picture with this lighting and all. It pops. This fluorescent colors pops out. So basically I'm showcasing all these mods so that when you want to do something, you want that look. You can get inspired by these people, these mods and all, which actually look good. Next is अथर्व भाई का. हमारे अथर्व भाई, इनका एक वीडियो हम लोग आज चेकआउट करेंगे. Who don't know who's अथर्व भाई? अथर्व 093. He's also a motorcycle influencer, just like Papa, and he's a track rider, professional track rider, not like Papa track rider जो weekend पे जाते हैं मस्ती मजाक में करके आ जाते हैं. He's actually good at it. Not only in track riding but also off-road also. He does some off-roading also, but yeah.
एक नॉर्मल ZX-R को एक रेस ट्रैक रेडी ZX-R में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मैंने क्या क्या मॉड्स किए और क्यों किए, चलिए आज बात करते हैं. स्टार्ट करते हैं सबके फेवरेट मॉड से, वो है एग्जॉस्ट. दिस इज द एरो टाइटेनियम प्रो रेस स्लिप ऑन एग्जॉस्ट विद अ टाइटेनियम लिंक पाइप. बट अब फन फैक्ट ये है कि
but these exhausts are meant for track. These are track spec exhausts, these shorties and all, and they make sense on his motorcycle, right? Not on street. And this guy uses his ZX-R for track.
इस एग्जॉस्ट के साथ मेनली तो बाइक का वेट थोड़ा कम हुआ है, टॉप एंड पे थोड़ा पावर बढ़ गया है, थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स थोड़ा शार्प फील हुआ है, और इसके साथ मैंने पेयर किया है एक DNA का एयर फिल्टर which helps the bike breathe better.
That's the best combo. If you're getting a full system exhaust, get a free flow air filter also.
अब 10R का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मॉड वो है इसके ब्रेक्स. 10R के स्टॉक ब्रेक्स तो नॉर्मल स्ट्रीट राइडिंग के लिए काफी अच्छे हैं, बट ऑन द ट्रैक ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग इनमें इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है. प्लस 10R में स्विचेबल ABS भी नहीं आता है, इसलिए मैंने लगाया है ब्रेम्बो का RCS 17 कोर्सा कोटा मास्टर.
I had RCS 17 but not Corsa Corta. He had the Corsa Corta. Nice.
सिलेंडर और इसके साथ मैंने हेल की डायरेक्ट स्टील बेडेड लाइंस भी लगाई है और इसमें ABS डिलीट भी हो गया है. एंड लास्ट
he has deleted the ABS. You don't need ABS for tracks. Know that? And if you know the correct way of braking, you'll stop faster. If ABS intervenes, you actually slow or distance लगता है slow होने में. So people use correct technique rather than relying on ABS.
असली और अच्छे ब्रेकिंग बाइट के लिए गैल्फर के रेस ब्रेक पैड्स भी मैंने डाले हैं. बेसिकली इस पूरे सेटअप से बाइक का ब्रेकिंग बहुत शार्प हो गया है, बाइट अच्छा हो गया है, एंड कॉर्नर्स में फास्ट एंट्री करने में या स्ट्रेट्स पे से हेवी ब्रेकिंग में मुझे बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता. इसके बाद आएंगे
that's what. See, for these track boys na, every millisecond matters, and more efficiently that they can brake na is very important for them. And these brakes na are all single finger brakes and all. You just have to pull it with single finger or double finger. That's all.
इनमें सबसे पहला है रेसिंग फुट पेग्स, क्योंकि ये एडजस्टेबल होते हैं. ये बोनामिची के रेसिंग रियर सेट्स. ये बेसिकली 9 वे एडजस्टेबल है, एंड ये मेरी हाइट के हिसाब से ऊपर आगे पीछे है. बाइक पे बैठने के लिए बहुत बेटर कंट्रोल मिलता है, एंड मेरी फुट पोजीशन भी बेटर होती है. प्लस मुझे ज्यादा लीन एंगल कैरी करने में इससे बहुत आसानी होती है. दूसरा होगा ये टैंक एक्सटेंडर. बेसिकली ये मुझे बाइक पे ग्रिप बनाने में बहुत हेल्प करता है.
This is something which I learned from his video when he showcased for the first time. I didn't know that there's something like this you can put on your motorcycle, especially track bikes.
And me being short, मैं जितना पीछे बैठ सकूं उतना मेरा कंट्रोल बाइक पर बेटर रहेगा. So इसकी वजह से मैं मेरे पैर आराम से टैंक पर लॉक कर सकता हूँ और एक प्रॉपर राइडिंग पोजीशन में राइड कर सकता हूँ. और आखिर में आता है ये फुल कार्बन फाइबर ट्रैक फेयरिंग. अब दिखने में ये मे भी थोड़ा सा कॉस्मेटिक लगे, बेसिकली इससे बाइक का वजन लगभग 3 किलो कम हुआ है एंड 10R का शासी थोड़ा हैवी है तो ये
For
वेट
track boys, even 100 grams matter a lot. 3 kg तो बहुत है.
रिडक्शन मुझे डायरेक्शन चेंजेस में काफी हेल्प करता है
And
10R
also
को
it
थोड़ा
helps with
agile
the
बनाता है तो ये
agility
है
of the
मेरी
motorcycle,
नॉर्मल
the
ZX
weight.
10R से ये फुल्ली प्रेप ट्रैक ZX 10R का कन्वर्जन वही मॉड्स जो असली में ट्रैक पर काम आते हैं.
Nice.
तो आप कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना
विंगलेट्स नहीं लगाए, वो भी तो काम आते हैं उड़ने में.
मुझे और इस 10R में क्या क्या मॉड्स करने चाहिए और इनमें से आपको कौन सा
Winglets,
फेवरेट मॉड
winglets.
लगा. एक नॉर्मल ZX
नहीं, हम तो बोलते हैं कि सीधा व्हील कवर लगाओ यार, व्हील कवर लगाओ.
10R को एक रेस ट्रैक रेडी ZX 10R में कन्वर्ट.
He didn't talk about the slick tires though. बहुत लोग, मैंने देखा एक वीडियो अथर्व का, where he talked about some people are commenting on his channel that ये क्या इतना बड़ी इतनी अच्छी गाड़ी खरीद ली लेकिन पैसे नहीं है टायर चेंज करने के after looking his tires and all. So bloody stupid. The confidence in kids today na is unimaginable, man. What's the rating here? I will see what the chat says and then decide. As a race spec bike, one of the most insane ZX-10Rs, this is worthy of 5 spark plugs hands down.
Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.